It's always a dream of many to avail of all the best games in the world and build a collection of their own. But knowing how costly it is to purchase these top-notch games, you always take a step back. That is when sites like Humble Bundle come to use, which allows you to avail of the best gaming deals without brainstorming much. Hereby, we have mentioned the 10 best sites like Humble Bundle that can offer you much more than Humble Bundle does. Getting a game that costs about $50 at a discounted price of only $2 is no more a dream because Bunchkeys can provide the service to you. Among all the Humble Bundle alternatives, Bunchkeys has got the best deals for you, and the users also get a chance to win stream keys. Gaming sites that let the users interact with each other are not outnumbered yet, and Groupie does exactly the same. The unique digital media distribution platform not only serves you tempting deals but also enriches the experience by including social features. Thus here you do not only purchase games but build a community of your own as well. Fanatical works as a popular video game retailer and offer top-notch game in bundles to the users at a great discounted rate. Being one of the Humble Bundle alternatives, it also allows you to purchase several mystery keys along with a variety of themes at a comparatively low price. Gamersgate stands out to be one of the best popular sites like Humble Bundle, which allows you to avail great games in bundles at a quite cheaper rate for your desktop. Once you visit the website, it opens up to a catalog of over 6,000 collection of popular games, and you get simple chances to make an independent choice of your own. With the history of almost a decade, IndieGlad does not fail to acquire the apex position in the gaming world. However, they concentrate and focus solely on the PC gamers and specifically those who often tend to look out for the stream keys. Being one of the sites like Humble Bundle, IndieGlad services are similarly top-notch and the users have no room for disappointments. Just like the Humble Bundle, the Lazy Guys Studio also offers games to the users in bundles, and that too at a cheaper price range. Each bundle here is unique and comes with particular themes where each has a specific time constraint, a week or two. Epic Bundle is yet another website that focuses on bundled games just like Humble Bundle. However, we can assure you that this website's game bundles will run too quickly, as in hours or even a few days longer. So you can hardly take your eyes off the site and keep it in a constant check. The name of the website, Is There Any Deal, itself suggests that it has been developed with the sole purpose of presenting gaming deals to the users worldwide. Here you get the independence to either purchase singular games or a bundle of it from different sellers by comparing several rates. Unlike the other sites like Humble Bundle, the Greenman Gaming focuses comparatively less on the bundles. It concentrates on selling individual games, especially the rare ones, which you do not get avail often. Even you are pre-order games if you have the heck of posting them and flaunt them in front of the world without paying much price. To end with, we have the website Itch that is fully dedicated to supporting the small game developers around the world. The website lets you try a variety of indie games. While some are less expensive, some you can get absolutely free of cost. Thus there is no chance of having regrets later because here you can try and then buy. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. If yes, then hit that like button below and do subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye, see you in the next video.